my channel. Today you guys, we're going to be making a chicken coleslaw sandwich and some garlic parmesan fries. So to start, for the fries, you're going to need some parsley. I just have some fresh parsley here, Himalayan salt, onion powder, parmesan cheese, garlic of course, and some butter. And then for my chicken, I have it marinating here in some deli mustard, and then your buns of course, and then some flour. Okay, my creators, let's get it. So I have my chicken here. And then you're going to want to crack 2 eggs in there. I hope you guys are doing great today. I'm doing great. It's a great day, nice, sunny, shiny day. Get that eggshell out of there. Okay? So we're just going to mix it up. Okay? This is a really easy sandwich, you guys. I just had to do a lot of prep work because, of course, I'm sharing with my creators. But other than that, it's a very easy meal. Wash my hands, y'all. Okay. So to that, I have some flour, of course. Then I'm going to, this is a 1 cup of flour. Then I have a cup of breadcrumbs as well. Okay? And then to that, I'm just going to season it with some Himalayan salt, some paprika, some garlic and herb, some Tony's Creole seasoning, and some onion powder. Okay, and guys, I do have my fries in the oven as well. It's just some zesty fries. Any type of fries you want to use is absolutely fine, guys. Okay. All right. And to that, y'all, I need some pepper. Okay. I know I like my seasoning, so I don't like unseasoned nothing. I know that by now. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're returning, thank you so much. I hope you guys are subscribed. If not, please be subscribed and turn on your post notification. That little bell right there. Okay, so we're just going to coat our chicken. Okay. And after we coat our chicken, we're going to put it in our oil. You guys, so my grease is hot. Go ahead and put them in. Now, my chicken breasts are going to fry for about 15 minutes or so. And I have my heat on medium high, you guys. So I'll see y'all back here when we get done. So let's make this coleslaw. Now, everybody does their coleslaw a different way. I'm doing mine how I'm doing mine. Y'all can do it however you want to. Okay, so I'm doing a cap full of vinegar. Okay. Then I am putting in just a tablespoon of the sour cream. Then I'm going to put in let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And then now everybody do this, but I like sugar in mine. It balances it off. So about a teaspoon of sugar. Okay. Just mix that up. Now I could have been real extra and did my coleslaw from scratch, but I don't really feel like doing it from scratch right now. And this is the middle of the week meal, so I'm trying to be more realistic with you guys as far as in time variations. So what did you guys do today pertaining to your dreams? What did y'all do? Did y'all do anything pertaining to your dreams? I hope you guys did. Hope you guys did. Keep going. Don't stop. Keep grinding. There's millions of people in this world, but there is a place for you. So keep grinding, y'all. Okay, so let's make this butter sauce for the fries. This is a very easy butter sauce for the fries. You're going to use half a stick of butter. Okay. Half a stick of butter. And then you're going to put some garlic in there. I love garlic, so you may not want as much garlic as me, but I'm using about 3 teaspoons of garlic. Okay? Just a dash of the Himalayan salt. Some of the garlic and herb seasoning, and then some fresh parsley. Okay? And that is it for the garlic sauce, y'all. The garlic butter sauce. That is it. You let this simmer for about 20 minutes or so, or maybe even 15, guys. You just want the garlic to be nice and incorporated in it, okay? You guys, I was listening to Steve Harvey this morning, and man, he gave us a good word today with his ending topic. And in that word, he was just saying how the Lord gives you everything that you need to go forward with your dreams, but are you settling? Are you settling because you have a job? Are you settling because you have a 401k plan at that place that you're working? Are you settling, you know, not to have a life full of abundance? It was a really good message today, you guys. I really felt like he was speaking to me, and I just wanted to share that mini word with you guys and let you guys know to just keep on going. You know, I know I may sound very repetitive in my videos, but I mean when I say, you know, just keep going, y'all. Nothing can stop you from achieving anything. It's going to grow. It's going to grow. You're going to continue to, you know, go through things in life, and you just got to continue to get up and keep running, y'all. Keep running. Okay? So I forgot to tell y'all that the coleslaw was done. That's it. That's all with the coleslaw. Nothing to it. Okay? So now we're just waiting on the chicken and the fries, and then we're going to come back and put it all together, y'all. This is how the chicken came out. Delicious golden and brown. And that mustard, when you put that on there, y'all, it's going to give it a kick. So use that mustard. So let's put this thing together. Okay? So, I have my coleslaw on the top, of course. Give yourself enough coleslaw, y'all. If you don't like coleslaw, skip this part. But you should. I encourage you to try this entire thing like it is. Then you want to put the lettuce. Then after the lettuce, put 2 slices of tomato. You can put onion on this if you want. I am not going to put onion on it because I just don't want onion. Okay. Then you want the cheese to be right there. Okay. Then after that, put your little chicken patty. And I am going to put some ranch on this. You guys don't have to do the ranch part, but I want to. It's all up to you, your preference, okay? So I'm just gonna put some ranch on that just for sauce. Y'all, I know this sandwich is good. I know it for sure. This is my husband, so I can't bite it, but try this, you guys. All right, so let's make these garlic. There's my garlic sauce. The only thing you do, now I'm using my pot because I don't want to do a whole bunch of dishes, y'all, but y'all can use a bowl, of course, to toss. It's all up to you. put Parmesan cheese on them guys. Into that, just want to toss them. Just toss them into that garlic and that butter and that parsley, y'all. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. These are so good. So good. And that's literally it. I'm gonna try one right now. Yep. That's garlic Parmesan fries, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning into my video. Until next time, my creators, continue to believe in yourself. Have a great one.